Hey beauties, today we're going to be unboxing this 3-in-1 half wig from HerGivenHair. I'm going to be sharing with you 3 different styles that I tried with this wig. All the links will be in the description box below. I will put on the screen all the information that you would need. This is the box. It's a beautiful packaging situation here, and in the box we have a card. It also comes with a pamphlet explaining how to care for the wigs. They have this bag here, which is what I kept the wig in. This specific unit is the 20-inch Coily 3-in-1 half wig. The wig has 2 combs at the sides, a comb at the top, a comb down here, and the drawstring. The cap is a pretty decent size because a girl like me has a lot of hair and a big head, and it fit perfectly. I didn't have to worry about that. It also have 2 bra strap clips that you can connect at the bottom or make the wig tighter or looser depending on your preference. All right, as you can see already, I'm putting this wig on and the blend is blending. It is blending. The only contention that I have is my hair used to be darker back in the day, so I used to wear 1B all the time for my wigs. However, I realized my hair has lightened over the years. I didn't know it would have been a stark difference, but it was fine, and I'm gonna tell you how I rectified that problem later on. So I'm just showing you here how seamlessly this hair blends with my hair straight out the bag. Look at how I'm able to really just put my hair back and you can't see any tracks. For this look, I was going for a big fluffy afro and it turned out perfect. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So this is my hair at the front, and right in that little section there opening, that's the wig. That is the wig. It looks like it's growing out of my scalp. It literally looks like it's growing out of my scalp. I was like, okay. There was points I was putting on the wig and messing with the wig, and I'm like pulling the wig thinking it's my hair, and I was like, no, this is the wig. This is not your hair. It was really trippy. Okay, so I'm gonna take this pin back look down, and I'm gonna show you guys another way I blend the wig in the front. So I took my brush and I had started teasing the roots just to get a fluffier root. Look at how easy that was. That way I don't always have to do a pin back style. I can actually wear this down with the hair falling down to the ground or even forward into my face. It doesn't have to be pinned back. So this is another way you can actually blend this wig. To get this afro, I literally just went in and teased the hair here and there, opened up the curls, just made it big and voluminous, and this was the finished result. So now that that's out the way, I actually went ahead and washed the hair. In the pamphlet, they do recommend co-washing, but I washed it with some soap, and as you can see, the color is running, and it was fine with me because I want the wig to lighten up a little bit to be more of what my hair color actually is now. I followed up with a conditioner, and these were the curls. The curls were popping. They looked beautiful. The hair was very revived, very soft.
I just washed the wig in less than 15 minutes.
So for my second look, I'm going for a half up, half down. It's actually more of a quarter up, 3/4 down kind of look. And I made this sleek little ponytail on the top of my head. These curls are fire. They not like us.
Draw Strizzle Production. They're up. Look at that blend. Look at that blend. Look at that blend. Look at that blend.
I took a piece of hair from the top of the wig, smoothed it down and wrapped it around my ponytail and then secured it. Okay, so for this second look, you can literally leave it right here. Right now, all that's in the hair was a little bit of mousse because initially I was going to try to use mousse to do the wash and go, but it wasn't defining the curls enough for me. It looks good, but I really wanted to like take it there and pack in the punch with a super defined curl. So I opted to go a little bit further and apply gel, a much thicker, heavier product that will set those curls in place. If you need reference, I've done a few wash and goes on my channel. You could check that out. The extreme gel, I used that on my hair, so I decided to use that on the wig as well. This looks like my hair. Like, I mean, this legit looks like my hair to the point that I actually wore this wig out, and people who know me for years were like, oh, your hair looks cute, like it looks cute. And I'm like, yeah, it's a wig. They're like, what? They couldn't even tell, and they know me. It was so good. It was so good.
I already prepped my hair into this nice sleek bun. What I did was just put my hair up, spritz it with some water, put it up in a ponytail. I used this gel to do this. I have a little flyaways, but I don't care. So
So for the third look, it's going to be a ponytail. So first I did a ponytail with a nice little Afro puff here. Poop, poop, poop. There's no products in the hair and it was great. Actually went in and did a nice little twist out. The products that I used, one is a foam mousse by the brand Juice. My first time using this, actually. I just bought it recently. And the second one is a Lata Body product. It's a thicker, creamier consistency. I like this product. So for the twist out, all I did was applied the products, twisted up my hair, and allowed it to dry. However, it didn't fully dry. These curls were nowhere near dry when I was pulling them out, but they were beautiful. Like, look at how these curls are super defined by the products, even though the hair is not dry. And over time, it did dry and get bigger and bigger and bigger and fluffier, but it looked fantastic. Now that you've seen all three styles, let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite, which one you're gonna try.
Right, and that's all for this video. Comment, like, share, and subscribe. Remember to check the links out in the description box below. Your discount will be there. Everything will be there for you. And girl, go get this wig because she is giving.
It's too big for me to do a bun, I think. Like, it's too big for me to do like a nice little like updo bun, because I wanted to. I really did. I was gonna do like a nice little like, let me slam it here all the way. I'll do like a nice little updo, some little tendrils coming out, girl. Like, but she too big, and I ain't trying to like force her to do something that she's not supposed to be doing.